Germarel power.
Our frequency converter, now we are just start commissioning. Okay, how we do it? It's like this. First, you have to connect input and output cable. Look, we have here special protection like a bag. Okay, we have a zip here. Okay, this window is zip like zipped, you know, and then air conditioner. Why we use now air conditioner? First we heat inside. First we heat inside. Why? Because we are near the seaside and the outside is minus 3-4 degree. Okay, when outside minus 4 or 3 degree, you need to work one of the machine, air conditioner, humidity taker. The others are heating. We don't need in fact all of them work, but I just want to test the air conditioners as well. Now they work well. Then I can make. Okay, so in the future, how we design the air conditioners. Okay, let's say you bring the cold, now it's heating inside for against the humidity. Okay, in the future when we bring it to the cold. Okay, then now I will bring again heating, and then when it comes to cold, then you make this, for example, 25, 26, 27, 28. You know, they will be waiting like a redundant. Whenever this is not enough to cooling, other one comes. If it's not enough, then other one comes. If it's not enough, then other one comes. Okay, so how we do here, I go now, this one we charge and then start. Here the indicators and multimeter, circuit breakers. Here how we connect the cables. Here we have main circuit breaker for air conditioners, lights, sockets, and DC supply for future for any kind of dry contacts. Okay, here the cable entry, and then we will start later on frequency converter to supply vessel. While constructing air conditioner pipe, you have to be clear that the water goes like this. And this is cable connection input. It's cable connections output. Here we have emergency light and so on.
Germarel power.